Do you have any problem?
Sir, question number 3B, sir.
Question number 3B. AW is equal to 13, AP is equal to 12. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem to find out PW and after that height. AW is age, PW is half of WZ, yes, A by 2.
Oh.
Or we can say this one is E, age, AP is slant height L, okay. And if we have age as well as slant height, we can use this formula, age square is equal to slant height square plus A by 2 square. We can use this formula, and U formula is very basic. A को value answer will get value of A, that means length of this base. And again after this we have to use another formula. Another formula means L square is equal to H square plus next one A by 2
Square.
and by using it we will get value of vertical height also. सुरुमा एज र स्ल्यान्ट हाइट दिएको छ, यसबाट लेन्थ अफ बेस निकाल्नु पर्यो, त्यो फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेपछि vertical height h को भ्यालु निकाल्नु by using the second formula. First use this one, second use this one, and then use the formula of volume at last. Volume is 1 by 3 A square h. Now we are moving to exercise of combined solid from chapter of prism and pyramid. Here in combined solid, we are talking about the cylinder, sphere, cone, pyramid combinedly. ये सबै कुराहरुको बारेमा combined रूपमा बनेको solidहरुको बारेमा स्टडी गर्छौं. One, we will discuss about this type of solid in which cylinder and hemisphere is combined. Hemisphere र cylinder combined भएको छ. Similarly, we will discuss about the cylinder as well as cone combined together. एउटा इनमा जस्तो पेन्सिल शेप छ, यहाँ इरेजर भएको पेन्सिल जस्तै शेप फर्स्ट शेप थियो भने यो शार्पनरले शार्प बनाएको पेन्सिल शेप जस्तै छ. नेक्स्ट one, a cone and hemisphere are combined here, and next one, two cones are combined here. Except this, we will talk about some other figures also combined with two hemispheres at two ends. यताको इन्डमा हेमिस्फियर छँदैछ, अर्को इन्डमा पनि हेमिस्फियर भएको फिगरको बारेमा पनि यो च्याप्टरमा हामी डिस्कस गर्छौं. And again, there is the cone at one end of one cylinder, and we'll discuss about the figures with cone at two ends. दुईटै इन्डमा कोन भएको फिगरको बारेमा पनि डिस्कस गर्छौं, like this one. Similarly, we will discuss about the figure with cone at one end, एउटा इन्डमा कोन भएको, and hemisphere at another end, अर्को इन्डमा हेमिस्फियर भएको. यतापट्टि just trying to draw hemisphere here. This portion which I have drawn here roughly is hemisphere. So we will discuss about this type of figure also. यो सिलिन्डरमा यतापट्टि हेमिस्फियर कम्बाइन भएको छ र राइट साइडतिर के कम्बाइन भएको छ, देयर इज कोन. ओके, यो पेन्सिल र यतापट्टि इरेजर भए जस्तो भयो. देयर इज हेमिस्फियर shape that is as like eraser at one end of pencil, and there is the sharp pencil at one end. एक इन्डमा पेन्सिललाई शार्पनरले तिखो बनाएको छ, अर्को इन्डमा इरेजर छ. यस्तो शेपहरुको बारेमा पनि पढ्छौं. अब यो शेपहरुको बारेमा के हो त पढ्नु पर्ने, we have to discuss about their curved surface area, their volume as well as their total surface area. That means three values: curved surface area, total surface area, and volume for these combined solid we have to find out. At first I have drawn four figures for you, combined with cylinder and hemisphere, cylinder and cone, cone and hemisphere, after that cone and cone. And at the same time I said there will be some other figures in which there will be two hemispheres at both ends, and there will be another type of, this is fifth type, two hemisphere at two end, दुईटा एन्डमा दुईटा हेमिस्फियर भएको फिफ्थ टाइप भयो। सिक्स्थ टाइप एउटा सिलिन्डरमा सिलिन्डरको दुईटै एन्डमा कोन भएको फिगर, देयर इज अ कोन एट बोथ एन्ड, दिस इज सिक्स्थ टाइप। एन्ड सेभेन्थ टाइप इज कोन एज वेल एज हेमिस्फियर एट एनदर एन्ड, एउटा एन्डमा कोन अर्को एन्डमा हेमिस्फियर भएको फिगरहरूको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्छौँ। So while discussing about these, can you simply say, as we know the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere as well as the curved surface area of this cylinder, cylinder को curved surface area र hemisphere को curved surface area को बारे में हामीलाई थाहा छ। So can you say how we will calculate its curved surface area? यो फिगर को curved surface area निकाल्न हामीले के गर्नु पर्ला? यसमा एउटा हेमिस्फियर र अर्को सिलिन्डर कम्बाइन्ड छ। We have to find out the curved surface area of cylinder and add that with curved surface area of hemisphere. सिलिन्डर को curved surface area 2 pi rs plus hemisphere को curved surface area 2 pi r square. These two we have to find out the curved surface area of whole solid. यो solid को curved surface area find out गर्ने यति formula use गर्नुपर्छ। So there is no problem, I think, if we have to find out curved surface area of this solid. But if it is said to find out total surface area, then what we will do? Now this is the case of total surface area. There are two figures combined together. One is cylinder, another is hemisphere. So what we will do now? But while finding total surface area, we can't add total surface area both figure. दुईटै figure को total surface area find out गरेर add गर्न मिल्दैन। Here, if we will think the meaning of total surface area को meaning को बारेमा सोच्यो भने यो हेमिस्फियर मा total surface area भने बाहिरको curved surface area is shaded region plus this circle हुन्छ, isn't it? यो circle पनि add हुन्छ नि, and then total surface area of hemisphere becomes 3 pi r square. Curved surface area 2 pi r square थियो, total surface area hemisphere को 3 pi r square हुन्छ। But in this figure, this circular region lies inside the solid. यो जुन अहिले भर्खर मैले रेड कलर्ड shadow बनाएको पोर्सन छ, यो solid को भित्र पर्छ। So we don't have to add this one. यो पोर्सन, यो circular पोर्सनलाई हामीले एड गर्ने होइन। So here at first we have to take curved surface area of this hemisphere. खाली curved surface area मात्रै लिनु पर्यो, because its circular portion lies inside the solid. Solid भित्र पर्ने भएकोले यो total surface area, surface area भनेको त बाहिर surface मा देखिने एरिया हो नि, surface area. This surface means whatever is observed on the surface of solid. This does not lie on the surface. बाहिरपट्टिको सर्फेसमा यो पोर्सन पर्दैन, त्यसैले यसको कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया मात्रै फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्यो। अगेन इफ वी विल क्याल्कुलेट टोटल सर्फेस एरिया अफ सिलिन्डर, सिलिन्डरको टोटल सर्फेस एरियामा के आउँछ? एउटा कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया आउँछ प्लस 2 इन्टु एरिया अफ सर्कल। एउटा सर्कलको एरिया यता छ, अर्को सर्कलको एरिया यता छ। सिलिन्डरको मात्रै टोटल सर्फेस एरिया फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु थियो भने एउटा त कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्छ, यो पोर्सन प्लस दुईटा सर्कल हुन्छ, 2 pi r टाइम्स r प्लस h भनेर हामी टोटल सर्फेस एरिया गर्छौँ। त्यसरी क्याल्कुलेट गर्यो भने यो भित्रको पोर्सन पनि एड हुन्छ, दिस इनर पोर्सन इज अल्सो एडेड। सो व्हाइल फाइन्डिङ टोटल सर्फेस एरिया अफ दिस सोलिड, दिस सर्कल इज अगेन रिमुभ। यो सर्कललाई फेरि टोटल सर्फेस एरिया अफ सिलिन्डरमा पनि एड गरिदैन। So as I said, first thing we have to find out curved surface area of this hemisphere, curved surface area. Second, again we have to find out curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area, and plus this circle is observed from outside. यो circle बाहिरबाट देखिन्छ, त्यसैले यसको एरिया pi r square। यो तीनटा कुराहरु एड गर्यो भने टोटल सरफेस एरिया अफ दिस सोलिड आउँछ. So directly, if it is said to find out total surface area of any combined solid, सबै solid को लागि यही rule लागू हुने हो. जुन जुन एरियाहरु बाहिरबाट देखिन्छ, that means this curved surface area of hemisphere is observed from outside, so we have to add this one at first. And second, this curved surface area of cylinder is observed, त्यसैले यो पनि एड गर्नु पर्यो. Plus lastly, this circle is observed from outside, बाहिरबाट यो सर्कल देखिन्छ, त्यसैले यो सर्कलको एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर पनि एड गर्नु पर्यो. यो तीनटा एड गर्यो भने यो कम्बाइन्ड सोलिडको टोटल सर्फेस एरिया आउँछ. Now for next volume, while calculating volume we don't have to think too much because volume means space occupied. त्यसमा यो कुन भित्र पर्यो कुन बाहिर पर्यो भन्ने मिनिङ नै हुँदैन. भित्र परे पनि बाहिर परे पनि यसले जति स्पेस अक्युपाई गर्नु छ स्पेस अक्युपाई गर्ने नै हो. So just we have to add the volume of both solids. Both solids means cylinder as well as hemisphere. Cylinder र hemisphere को volume add गरेपछि यो combined solid को volume आइहाल्छ. And you know formula of volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. So just three things you have to remember. One, while finding curved surface area, find curved surface area of both and add. दुईटैको curved surface area find out गर add गरिदेऊ. Second, find out curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of cylinder plus area of circle and add. This is most important. Curved surface area को लागि त दुईटै curved surface area find out गरेर add गरिदियौ. But while finding total surface area, दुईटाको curved surface area plus area of circle, यो circle को area add हुन्छ. Similarly, it's easy to remember for volume. For volume and curved surface area, there is no problem. Just we have to add curved surface area as well as we have to add just volume of both. दुईटैको volume add गर्नु पर्ने. Just main thing is you have to remember the formula for total surface area. Total surface area को लागि दुईटाको curved surface area, third यो circle. Now look at next figure. Here also, to find out curved surface area of this solid, we have to find out curved surface area of cone. Cone को curved surface area निकाला, त्यसपछि cylinder को curved surface area निकाला and add कर दो. Add the curved surface area of both cone as well as cylinder, and you will get the curved surface area of this solid. And to find out volume also, find out volume of cone, find out volume of cylinder and add both. दुईटैलाई add कर दो. But while finding total surface area of this solid, at first you have to find out the curved surface area of cone, pi r l. Curved surface area of cone को formula हुन्छ pi r l. Use pi r l and find out curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r l plus area of this circle pi r square. By adding these three, you will get total surface area. Next figure is there is the hemisphere as well as cone. So to find out its curved surface area, we have to find out curved surface area of both solids, hemisphere and cone. दुईटैको curved surface area निकालेर add गरिदिएपछि भइहाल्छ. And volume also, for volume also, find out volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube and volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h, and add both. दुईटैलाई add गरिदेऊ. And what you will do to find out total surface area here?
Curved surface area of cone and curved plus cone surface.
Yes, its curved surface area as well as total surface area are same. यसमा बाकी एरिया कुनै पनि छैन. बाहिरबाट देखिने सर्फेस भनेको हेमिस्फियर को कर्व्ड सर्फेस र कोन को कर्व्ड सर्फेस. त्यसैले यसको कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया र टोटल सर्फेस एरिया एउटै हुन्छ.
Yes.
And next figure there are two cones. So for its curved surface area also, we have to find out curved surface area of both cones and add them. For total surface area also, find out curved surface area of both and add. And for volume, find out volume of both and add. दुईटैको volume find out गरेर add गर्नु पर्यो. Similarly, as I said about two more figures, दुईटा अरु figure को बारेमा भने 2, 3. Okay. For those three figures, जस्तो यसमा यतापट्टि हेमिस्फियर छ भने, if hemisphere is combined once again here, यो साइडमा हेमिस्फियर पनि कम्बाइन गरेको छ. जस्तो यो राइट साइडमा छ त्यस्तै लेफ्ट साइडमा पनि हेमिस्फियर कम्बाइन गरेको छ भने यसको पनि कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया र टोटल सर्फेस एरिया सेम हुन्छ. बिकज दिस सर्कल which is shown at
Not
left side,
observed.
total that remains inside the solid. यतापट्टिको सर्कल फेरि सोलिड भित्र पस्छ, जसरी यतापट्टिको यो सोलिड सर्कल यो सोलिड भित्र थियो, त्यस्तै गरी यतापट्टि हेमिस्फियर भयो भने यो सर्कल पनि भित्र पर्छ. And in that case also we have to find out curved surface area of this hemisphere, curved surface area of this cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere, and you will get total surface area as well as curved surface area. दुईटै सेम हुन्छ. If there is hemisphere on this figure, यतापट्टि कोन छ भने cones curved surface area plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere will give us curved surface area as well as total surface area, because this circle also lies inside the solid in that case. Okay. If there are both cones to both ends, दुईटै इन्डमा कोन छन् भने पनि त्यही हुने हो. Its total surface area means curved surface area of cone at right side, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone at left side. That will be total surface area as well as curved surface area. Now let's look at these formula once. If cylinder and hemisphere are combined, as I said, total surface area is area of this circular base, curved surface area of cylindrical part, and curved surface area of hemispherical part. Total it is pi r square is the curved surface area, area of circle. 2 pi r s is area of cylinder. 2 pi r square is curved surface area of hemisphere. And you can remember this formula also. You formula याद गरे पनि हुन्छ, otherwise not necessary. If you know the concept, के एड गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ, यो सर्कल एड गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ, सिलिन्डर प्लस यो तीनटैको एरियाहरु, कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया प्लस एरिया अफ सर्कल. And this you can make yourself. क्वेशन को सोलुसन गर्दा यो त्यही बनाए पनि हुन्छ. Okay. And volume of cylindrical part pi r square is volume of hemispherical part, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. These things are given in your book also, you may observe there also. For cylinder and cone, if cylinder and cone are combined, here its curved surface, to find out its curved surface area and total surface area, at first total surface area is equal to area of this circle plus curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of conical part. So if h1 is the height of cylinder, h2 is the height of cone, it will be like this. Pi r square is area of circle, circle ko area pi r square bhayo, 2 pi r h1 for cylinders curved surface area, and pi r l is curved surface area of cone. Similarly, volume of cylindrical part plus volume of conical part, that means pi r square h1 for cylinder, cylinder ko volume pi r square h1, cone ko volume pi 1 by 3 pi r square h2. And next one, if cone and hemisphere are combined, in this case total surface area is equal to curved surface area of conical part plus curved surface area of hemispherical part. So it is also equal to curved surface area of this solid. यसको लागि कर्भ सर्फेस एरिया र टोटल सर्फेस एरिया भनेको एउटै हुन्छ, that is pi r l plus 2 pi r square. Pi r l is curved surface area of cone, 2 pi r square is curved surface area of hemisphere. And next one, to find out the volume of part of cone, conical part, volume of hemispherical part. These both we have to add. Volume of conical part is 1 by 3 pi r square and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And next one, cone and cone. If cone and cone are combined together, total surface area or curved surface area, that is same for both. Here we have to add curved surface area of first cone at left side and curved surface area of second cone at right side. So curved surface area of cone 1, if its slant height is L1, if slant height of cone at right side is L2, it is pi r L1 plus pi r L2, pi r common L1 plus L2. If you know the concept of it, you can use this formula and find out next one also. Again, to find out total surface, total volume of it, volume of first cone at left side and volume of second cone at right side, 1 by 3 pi r square h1, 1 by 3 pi r square h2. 1 by 3 pi r square is common, h1 plus h2. And here it is written h. Its meaning is if this height of this cone, whole cone is h, पूरे कोन को height h छ भने हो त्यतिखेर h1 plus h2 दुईटैको height जोडेर h हुने हो. That will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's move to exercise now. Exercise 7.4, question number 1 from book of CDC. Find the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the following solids which are the combination of cylinder and hemisphere. एउटा cylinder र hemisphere को combination बाट बनेको फिगर छ. यसको curved surface area, total surface area, volume सबै find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. Actually these all things are not asked to you if question is of 4 marks. कुनै एउटा कुरा या दुईटा सोध्ने हो, either curved surface area, total surface area or volume, one of these. If it is of 5 marks, that may be asked to you. तीनटै पनि सोध्न सक्छ if it comes for 5 marks. So now to find out its curved surface area, we have to find out curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. And for that, write given things. Given things are radius as well as height of cylinder. And if radius of cylinder is given, radius of hemisphere will be also same. यसको hemisphere को radius पनि उति नै हुन्छ. So let's write the given things. Given things are radius of cylinder as well as hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Let me tell one more thing to you. Sometimes if these two are given to us, यो दुईटा लेन्थ दिएको छ जस्तो यो यहाँनेर यो 3.5 सेन्टिमिटर नदिएर okay, यो रेडियस दिएको छैन for example. Okay, if radius is not given and if height of cylinder is 18 centimeter and next one length of this whole figure, for example, it is 21.5 centimeter. यस्तो दिएको छ. If it is given, we can find out the length of this part, isn't it? यो part त निकाल्न सकिन्छ नि. By subtracting 18 from 21.5, total length is 21.5 and यतापट्टि छ यो 18 centimeter. By subtracting it, we will get here 3.5 centimeter. If it is 3.5 centimeter, this is the radius of hemisphere as well as it is the radius of cylinder also. Cylinder को radius पनि त्यही हो. Same question may be given to you in this way also. यसरी पनि दिन सक्छ. Total 21 यहाँनेर 18. यहाँ 3.5 नदिएर यसको पनि दिन सक्छ. So here radius is already given and height of cylinder is 18 centimeter. We have to find out curved surface area of cone as well as total surface area of solid and volume. And we have formula: curved surface area of the solid is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Now put all values what we have. It is 2 pi r. I have taken common from both. You may observe it here. 2 pi r, 2 pi r. Remaining value in second is r. Remaining value in first is h. So r plus h is remaining inside. Value of pi is 22 by 7.
22 by 7.
Of r 3.5. Again value of r 3.5 and value of
3.5
is 18. Value of h 18. Okay. So let's calculate this. 2 into pi 22 by 7 r 3.5 bracket started 3.5 plus 18. Can you find out the value outside the bracket? इसको value कति हुन्छ finally? 3.5 into 2. At first 3.5 into 2 7 and 7 cancel. 22 is remaining outside. Baira 22. Inside it 3.5 plus 18 21.5.
21.5.
22 into 21.5. Multiply both now. 473.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now use formula of total surface area. For total surface area, curved surface area of cylindrical part, curved surface area of hemispherical part plus area of this circle. These things we have to add here. So for that, at first you can say total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus this circular part pi r square. I have written it directly, otherwise you have to write these also. Beta lekera and circle go area pi r square add on you. In the question where you have calculated curved surface area, directly you can write this. If you are calculating total surface area directly, if curved surface area is not asked, curved surface area सोधेको छैन भने यो CSA को ठाउँमा लेख्नु पर्ने. Okay, then you have to calculate these all together. So now curved surface area is 473 pi 22 by 7 r square 3.5 square. So find out its value. 3.5 square
12.25.
12.25 into 22 divided by 7, 38.5. Okay, 473 plus 38.5, which is 511.5 cm square. And after this, it is said to calculate volume also. So for volume also, use formula of volume of hemisphere plus volume of the cylindrical part. Volume of cylindrical part is pi r square h for the cylindrical part, and for hemispherical part it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Put values of pi r as well as h and simplify it, or at first we can take pi r square common also. Pi r square common liyo भने h plus 2 by 3 r बच्चा, that you can simplify easily. So first part, pi r square is 22 by 7 into 3.5 square into 18 is h, plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi 22 by 7 r cube 3.5 cube. 3.5 square 12.25 into 18 into 22 divided by 7,
693.
93. Similarly, 2 into 22 into 3.5 cube divided by 21. 7 3 is 21 is in denominator. Numerator 2 into 22 into 3.5 cube.
89.83.
89.83. Finally, it is 693 plus 89.83. Add both.
782.83.
782.83 cubic centimeter. This is our required answer. So these three values we have calculated for same figure. First thing, total curved surface area. Second, total surface area. And third one, volume. So let's move to 2 number. Remaining questions of 1 are your homework. 2 questions are remaining there. 2 number, find the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of the following solid which are combination of cylinder and cone. The process for this question is also same, but at first to find out the radius, here we have to use Pythagoras theorem. यहाँ के use गर्नुपर्ने हो त?
Pythagoras theorem.
L square is equal to h square plus
plus
r square. Use it and find out value of r. Radius को value निकाला first ना. Then for curved surface area, pi r l plus 2 pi r h. Pi r l for this one and 2 pi r h. And to find out total surface area, pi r square is added to it. And to find out volume, find out volume of cylinder plus cone and add both. In this way we have to complete this. So this much for today.